Felix and number 1 of Dolmar. Timing. Well cut by first possession, Team Ibanag. Number 5, Palataw. Right, put back is good. That is number 5, Palataw. Tumira ng 3. No good. Ball rebound by number 13. 13, right. Beautiful layup by number 13. Is Celis. To De La Cruz. To number 21. Layup is good. To number 7, De La Cruz. To Celis. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by Sebastian umikot. Sebastian, diretso, no good. Ball, rebound by Valencia. To number 17, Palataw. Block by number 1. Pick up by Sebastian. 10 to shoot. Down to 8. And there's the result.
Ay, sige sir.
Sebastian.
Nya dito. Nya kanya na.
Sebastian, drive. And there's the result. 2 shots. Yes, sir. Valencia, tumira ng 3. Yes, sir. Valencia, 3 points. Steal by Brett. To De La Cruz. To Palataw, number 5. Yes, sir. Beautiful connection between De La Cruz. Number 12. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 3. Pick up by number 12, Kalata. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by to Celis. Steal by number 12, Kalata. To number 21. Pass to Valencia. And there's the result. The basket is good. Yan. Ang long pass to Sebastian. Pass to De La Cruz. Wala lang. Yes, sir. Ang number 7 to number 5. Tumira na good. Ball rebound by number 22. Steal by number 5. Put back is good. Alerto. Number 21. Steal by Sebastian. Diretso sa layup is good. Black. And there's a whistle. Second throw. It's good. De La Cruz fakes. Shot clock down to 6. Down to 4. 3. The basket is good. That is Sebastian. Skips. 3 point. 2. Palataw. Steal by number 22. Long pass to Valencia number 30. Diretso straight to the basket is good. Sebastian umikot. Traveling. Bagno. Drive. Block by Sebastian. Shot clock down to 14. Steal by Valencia. To Kalata. Layup is good. It's good. Valencia. Diretso. The basket is good. Kalata to number 1. Fade away. No good. Ball rebound by number 30 Valencia. Put back. No good. Valencia pa rin. Another put back is good. Mabaw. Manang-mana kay papa niya. Kalata. Left-handed layup. No good. Kalata pa rin. Yes, sir. Ewan ko lang. Kung saan naman nagmana to. Hindi naman malakas yung papa nito si Kalata eh. Kalata number 5. And there's a result. Plus the basket is good. Number 5 Palataw. Looking for receiver. Pass to Kalata. Steal. Kalata. Iniwasan pa yung guardia. Put back by Valencia number 30. 32, Sebastian. Still by number 12, Kalata. Kalata, nalagmana sa tita niya. Left-handed layup is good. May ganun ka ba, Uncle? Wala naman ata eh. 11 to number 30, Valencia. Valencia to number 18. Sino yun? Valencia. Straight to lefty. Layup is good. Parang may pinagmanaan ka. Still by Kalata. Nanagmana sa akin na. Is good. Pick up by number 26, Sebastian. Sebastian. Zigzagging. Pass to Valencia. Bob is good. Long pass to number 30, Valencia. Is good pa rin. Unstoppable. Tumira, no good. Ball, pick up by number 12, Kalata. Nanakbana sa angkel niya. Kalata nanakbana sa angkel niya. Yep, wala naman siyang ganun eh. Pwede bang magma. To number 17, to Sebastian. Sebastian all alone is good. Number 21. Five, 4, 2. Sebastian pa rin. Drive is good for 2. Celis, 3 on 1, 4 on 1. Celis, and there's the result. Ball steal by Celis, derecho, yes sir. 18, tumira ng 3, rebound by Valencia number 30, pass to number 18, put back, Hakimi. Thanks, shot clock down to 7, down to 5, steal, to number 12, Kalata. Drop is good. Out to 15. 12. Block. 8. Rebound. Long pass is still by Celis number 3. Zigzagging crossover. And there's a result. Almost.
Baka hindi manood yun.
De La Cruz zigzagging. De La Cruz drive. Pass to Valencia. Pero ang gandang reverse shot by Mr. Valencia. Bala na. To Kababa. To Valencia. Fade away. No good. Rebound. Bala na. Directo. Is good. 1 minute for Celis. Is good. 10. Valencia, fade away, no good, rebound by Kababa, put back is good. Play Kalata number 12, 2-on-2 situation, Valencia, layup, no good, rebound by Kalata, to Valencia is good. 10, 8, 6, 5, 2, wala. Leclerc.
Stephen Curry niya.
3 points yun. Magno.
Oh, nice
To
pass.
Valencia. Good for 2.
Tira.
Sebastian is good for 2. Down to 8 points. Still by De La Cruz. Long pass to Kalata number 5.
Good luck.
Lahat. Long pass to Celis number 3. All alone. Kinaliba. Kinanan. Pasok pa rin. Kesani to Magno. Magno, cross pass to Kalata. Kalata to kill 3. Shot clock down to 12. Magno! And the suicide. Pass the basket is good. De La Cruz to Sebastian. Sebastian, left-handed no good. Rebound by Valencia. Putback is good.
Pag wala kang tat-
Iba na ang matangka. 17, Palataw. Steal by Valencia. Napalingon pa sa likod. Sebastian. Sebastian, dire-diretso. Beautiful layup by Mr. Sebastian. Ball rebound by number 5, Palataw. Palataw number 5. Palataw number 5. Dire-diretso. Block. Out of bounds. Instill by Valencia. Valencia ngayon. Instill by Sebastian. Sebastian, ginugulo ng dalawa. Palataw.
Oh!
Feliz, tumira, skip. Hey! Hindi pwede yan, kalma lang. Hanggang pwede yata. Palabasin mo na yung 11 at saka si ano, yung isa. 13 at saka 11, labas mo na. Setting the play. 66-59 is the score. Tumira ng 3. Yes, sir! That is the knock. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. Stepping across pedal.
Oh.
The basket is good. Nakagawan, Sebastian. Fakes. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Last 2 minutes. Is still. And there's the result. Okay, 1 minute. Sebastian. Drive. Number 3. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Kalata. Is still by. And there's the result. Pala number 12. Kalata, number 5. Kalata. Block. Out of bounds. Sebastian. Down to 7. He's good. 1 minute 20 down pass to number 22. He's still by number 7. Kalata. Ay, De La Cruz. To Kalata, number 17. Jumper is good. 1 minute 13. Inlapit sa karera. Wala pa rin. Putback. Wala pa rin. Jump ball. Down to 18. Still. And there's result. Violation yun. Taking free throw. Rebound by number 3, Celis. Long pass to Sebastian. 10 seconds. 8. Middle 5. 3. 2.
Huwag na nga ba? Okay lang. Pagkapit yung lang tuloy. Sige. Saka doon kay Malin. Next year man din na. Pagkakala nila.
Lang.